Hi everyone, welcome back to the Geterbrewed channel. So today I want to talk about distilling and in particular distilling yeast. So we've brought in a brand new range from Fermentis, their full catalogue of distillation yeast products. We have been doing a lot of work on using specialty malt in distilling, and we've been having huge success with the French and Jups range of roasted and patent malts, where distillers are using crystal malts and chocolates and all sorts of sort of grain blends in their grist to really deliver a new make spirit packed full of flavour before it even goes into the wood. So Irish whiskey is absolutely booming here in Ireland. We've loads of new distilleries opening, we've loads of distilleries increasing their production capacity, and Geterbrewed is a one-stop shop for distillers every bit as much as it is for brewers. So we keep all of the malts, the botanicals and the yeasts on stock here. So just introducing you to the new range from Fermentis. So we keep bulk obviously in 10 and 20 kilogram boxes, and then we can supply stock of the 500 gram packets as well. The only thing we ask for if you're buying a lot of this yeast is some form of forecast, so we can make sure we have enough on stock here so we don't interrupt your production process. So there's a huge range of the SAF spirits products. So I've got a selection of them here. We have the M1. So this is for the distilled grain beverages that are going to be aged in barrels. So the SAF spirit USW6 is used for basically all types of grains or blends of grains that you're going to be using that for. The GR2, the main benefit for it is if you've no temperature control in your production plant, then this is the yeast that you want to use. Okay, so HG1, it's all about high gravity, so it's all in the name basically. So if you're wanting to produce high gravity production, this is the yeast for you. We've found so far C70 has been the most popular strain for distillers. We have a huge portfolio of products available to us from Fermentis. So we have everything for vodka, brandy, tequila, Irish whiskey distillation, Scotch whiskey distillation. This is a new portfolio of products for us, but we've been working with distillers for some time. If you're a distiller and you're watching this, don't hesitate to reach out to us for a chat and a look at the products that we do. We've got a huge range of gin botanicals. We can do them in small packs, like of 1 kilo, right up to the 20 kilogram sacks. We have all of the distillation pot still malts from Crisp here. We have specialty malts from Dingemans, specialty crystal and patent malts from French and Jups. Huge portfolio of products, and we're looking forward to having a chat with you about how we can help with your fermentation needs with Fermentis. So don't hesitate to reach out, and until next time, happy distilling.